One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. Spot, baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one. Them I step in on me yard, them I enter. Them be 2 by 2.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am starting off with this unit from VIP Beauty Hair. So I've had this unit for over 6 months, and you can see guys, this unit still looks gorgeous. I absolutely love the quality of this hair, you guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I lay my frontal, because a lot of you guys have been asking. So even though I do this most of the time, like almost every week, but I'm just gonna show you the quickest and easiest way I lay my frontals. If you want to avoid hair loss, make sure you don't apply the got to be glued on your hair, like where you're going to lay your frontal. Okay, so if you see what I did, my got to be glued goes way away, further away from my natural hairline. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure that it is tacky before I lay my frontal down.
I never waste time, them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See these girls, them go down. Ooh-wee. Bad man on the showdown. Oh, yeah.
Just gonna go ahead and brush or comb all the hair away from the glue, because if you leave the hair, you might risk having loads of stray hairs. Okay, it will be difficult for you to remove them or make it look neater. So you want to make sure that you brush all the hair away from the glue. I hope you guys have also subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, like seriously, please do join the family. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the blow dryer just to speed up the process. I'm just gonna go ahead now and use my got to be glued, which is like literally finished. And I'm just gonna start laying down some baby hairs. Like if you see guys, I was just laying down as close to the lace as possible, because I didn't want to go overboard on the baby hairs. So I just wanted to conceal the lace. As you can see right here, it looks flawless. Okay, banging. So I'm just gonna continue doing this. You want to do this carefully and not in a rush. If you are experienced in doing this, it doesn't take you that long, you know, it is pretty simple and easy. So you want to make sure that you are doing this step by step, and you know what I'm saying, bit by bit. Just to ask you guys, I do receive quite a number of comments concerning natural hair tutorials. Like seriously guys, I haven't been feeling motivated, because every time I post like natural hair videos or in hair videos, literally the views are kind of disappointing. Like I don't want to complain. I am grateful for the views that I do get. Okay, even if it means one view, to me it means a lot that someone really appreciates and watches and likes my work. But it seems like it's just not a thing anymore. I don't know, let me know guys. I mean, any video suggestions are welcome. Like seriously, I am open to any suggestions or requests that you would like to see on my channel. As you see guys, my hairline is looking banging. Like yes, that looks flawless. Like tell me, What do you think, guys? This frontal is amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start defining the curls, but I absolutely love the way the hair was looking before I actually made it wet, because you see guys, making it wet makes it look a bit darker, a bit humble, but I actually like the hair in its dry. Like, stay, what do you think? Let me know which one would you prefer, but this hair is amazing, like good quality hair, you guys.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Let go. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose.
I'm gonna go ahead and use my Contour leave-in conditioner just to give the hair a little bit of life, because I processed this hair, guys. So I wanted the hair to feel moisturized, you know what I'm saying? The curls just sort of dropped. So I had to go ahead and scrunch the hair up just to bring the curls back. Okay, so this is a very important step if you're dealing with curly hair. Okay,
if you play my music, if you get my CD, if you hit me when you see.
I'm just gonna go ahead and personalize that frontal hunty, make sure it looks even more flawless, yeah, if that's a word. That's not a word, but yeah, look at that. It is blending, honey. It looks like it's growing from my own scalp. Like, seriously, thumbs up this video, you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this video.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want me won't go me for my.
Just using my mascara, my hair mascara. Actually, it's just a normal mascara. Just using this on my parting because I felt like it needed a bit of defining right there. So yeah, it looks better now, and I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. Beautiful, gorgeous hair.
When I ride bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time. Standard. Baby. One time.
So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.